Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y70 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this HUAWEI. First of all, you need to access calendar by clicking on it and then pick a date, after choosing Allow in the pop-up. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and adjust your event however you wish to, for example add a title to it. Now you can click on location, type in an address. I'll go with whatever. Then you can pick also starting hour or ending one. And if you don't want to do that, click on this switcher next to all day to disable this feature completely. Now scroll down, click on repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat. For example, every year. If you don't, you need to select never. Now add reminder over here. Mark your event as important by choosing this switcher next to important feature and even take notes. When you're ready, click on the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. In order to make some changes, you can click on it. Select edit at the bottom in the middle, sorry. Then make your changes and click on this check mark at the top right corner to save them. If you wish to delete your event though, you need to click on it again, but this time select this pin icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!